Alright, hello guys, kumusta kayo? Sir Lupit here at narito ang summary nung 4 kinematic equations and then maya meron tayong mga solved problems dito. So, bago ko simulan, syempre, tatandaan nyo yung SUVAT or yung SUVAT, parang sugat, no? SUVAT. Yung S guys, yun yung displacement. Yung U, yun yung initial velocity. Yung V, yun yung final velocity. Yung A is acceleration and yung T is time. Tandaan nyo yun guys ha. Ngayon, sa equation 1 natin, gagamitin mo to kung halimbawa hindi given yung S, yung displacement. Kasi pag tinignan nyo, yung equation 1, wala naman siyang S dyan, di ba? So kapag unknown yung, wala yung displacement, hindi siya kasama sa given, pero given yung initial velocity, acceleration, and time, so pwede mo pa rin ma-solve yung final velocity. Or alinman sa apat na yan, whether tatlo dyan ang given, tapos isa dyan yung nawawala, pwede nyo gamitin yung formula na yan. So, V is equal to U plus AT. Sa equation 2 naman guys, displacement ito, pero walang letter V dyan. Ibig sabihin, kapag hindi given ang V, the final velocity, pero alinman sa apat na to ang hinahanap, so pwede nyo itong gamitin, itong formula na to. So, S is equal to the initial velocity times the time, then i-plus nyo sa 1/2 of the acceleration times the square of t. Yan. So, S is equal to U times t plus 1/2 times A times t squared. Sa equation 3 guys, as you can see, walang t dyan. Wala yung time. So, kung given ang final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, or displacement, yung apat na yan, given dyan, tapos isa lang yung nawawala. So, pwede nyo gamitin tong formula na to. So, V squared is equal to U squared plus 2AS or 2 times A times S. And then, yung last equation, as you can see, parang kapareho lang siya nung equation 2. Pero dito sa equation 4 kasi, ang nawawala naman dyan is yung initial velocity. So, if by chance, given yung tatlo dito and isa yung unknown, so pwede mong gamitin yan. S is displacement is equal to the final velocity times the time minus 1/2 times the acceleration times the square of the time. So, yan yung 4 kinematic equations na ginagamit natin sa pagsosolve ng velocity, acceleration, time, and displacement, whether horizontal or vertical. Ngayon guys, meron tayong sample dito. For example, sa horizontal motion, sabi dito, a car starts from rest and accelerates at 2 meters per square second for 5 seconds. So, find the final velocity and find the displacement. Okay, so intindihin natin guys. Ibig sabihin nito, yung car, nag-start siya from rest. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya umaandar. And then, in 5 seconds, nag-accelerate na siya ng 2 meters per square second. So, una hanapin yung final velocity. So, tignan natin anong formula yung ginamit niya or anong equation. So, ang given daw is yung U ay 0 meters per second kasi nga rest. Ibig sabihin, wala pa siyang velocity nun. Yung A, acceleration ay 2 meters per square second and then yung time is 5 seconds. So, sabi dito, ginamit niya yung equation 1. Ano ba yung equation 1? So, equation 1 is V is equal to U plus A times T. Yan. So, direct substitution na lang guys. Yung V dito is equal to yung U, sabi nga yung U ay 0, kaya 0 yan, plus 2, which is yung acceleration, times 5 kung ilang seconds. So, basically yan ay 0 plus 2 times 5, the answer is 10. So, meaning yung final velocity ay 10 meters per second. Now, para naman isolve yung displacement, gagamitin dyan ay yung equation 2. So, yung equation 2 naman guys is S is equal to U times T plus 1/2 A T squared. So, tignan natin. So, ginamit niya yung U. Yung U nga is rest, so initial velocity ay 0. And then times the time, which is 5 seconds, kaya merong 0 times 5. Plus, yung 1/2 ng 2. Yung 2 is yung acceleration yon. And then, times the T squared, kaya merong 5 squared. So, kapag sinimplify yan, 0 times 5 is 0 plus 1/2 times 2 times 5 squared. So, ang 5 squared ay 25. Pag tinimes mo sa 2 yan, magiging 50. And then, divided by 2, the answer is 25. And then, ang unit ay meters kasi nga displacement yung hinahanap. So, ibig sabihin lang yan guys, after 5 seconds, yung velocity ng ating car ay 10 meters per second na, and then yung natakbo niya ay 25 meters na. Yun yung ibig sabihin yan guys. So, paano naman kapag vertical motion? So, sabi dito, a ball is dropped from rest. Find its velocity after 3 seconds. Pag sinabing a ball is dropped from rest, ibig sabihin, let's say, nasa 3rd floor ka, hawak-hawak mo yung bola doon. So, kapag hawak mo pa lang siya, rest yon guys. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang kanyang initial velocity doon pa lang ay 0. So, hindi naman kasi siya gumagalaw, hawak-hawak mo eh. So, kapag binitawan mo, doon na siya gagalaw. So, tignan natin. Ang given dyan is yung initial velocity ay 0. And then, automatically guys, meron na siyang acceleration na 9.8 meters per square second. So, mapapaisip ka, saan ba galing yun? Wala naman yun. Hindi naman sinabi sa problem. So, tandaan nyo guys, yung A na yan, na 9.8, galing yan sa acceleration due to gravity. Kumbaga, yun yung dahilan kung bakit, alam naman natin na yung mga objects ay, they are falling towards the center of the earth dahil sa gravity. So, ang acceleration nun is 9.8 meters per square second. So, yan. Kung gusto nyo mas accurate na sagot, 9.8066 meters per square second. And then sabi, solve for its velocity after 3 seconds. Yan. So, dyan pa lang, kapag inisip mong maigi, given yung U, may A, may T, so, pwede mong isolve, ang pinapasolve dyan is yung final velocity. So, yung V. So, gagamit ka ulit ng equation 1. So, V is equal to U, so 0 yon, plus acceleration, which is 9.8 times the time, 3 seconds. So, simplify mo lang yan, 0 plus 9.8 times 3. So, meron ka ng 29.4 meters per second. And then, syempre, kailangan mong i-indicate kung saan yung direction. So, that is 29.4 meters per second downward. So, ibig sabihin, after 3 seconds, yung ball mismo ay bumababa towards the center of the earth sa bilis na 29.4 meters per second. Yan. So, I hope naintindihan nyo guys. Yan ang ating mga example problems para dito sa paggamit ng kinematic equations. So, I hope naintindihan nyo. Hanggang dito muna. And see you sa susunod na video. Ingat, nasaan ka man. God bless you and goodbye for now.